Hi, my name is Caitlin from Nijona for Me, and I am the Goodwill Fashionista Contest winner. Today I am at this Goodwill located at Alma School and Crane Creek to show you how I shop at my neighborhood Goodwill. So let's go in, but first make sure to mask up. Alright, so the first thing when I come into Goodwill, I like to hit up their accessories section, which is like the shoes, handbags, hats, and scarves, because I feel like accessories can really elevate an outfit. And then from there, I can base my other outfits on those accessories so that they all kind of match together. Okay, oh my gosh. Alright, so right away, I see these sandals. And they look really cute. I like the colors because I feel like it goes with spring, and they look like a really fun style. And it's not something that I already have in my wardrobe already. So I was instantly drawn to these heels because they are velvet, and actually because I am Navajo, we use velvet a lot in our outfits, especially like our Masana skirts. And so I feel like I am just naturally drawn to things with velvet. And so that's why this caught my eye, and it's also like a really pretty color. Oh no. Okay, so I found these boots, which I have actually been looking for a pair for a really long time, like exactly like these. But I just looked at the size, and they are a size 10. I'm usually like around an 8.5 or 9. So I don't know, maybe I could pull it off. I'm gonna put it in my cart for now and kind of just wait till the end to see if I want to keep them or not. So next, I am going to move on to the bag section. And when I shop for bags, I like to go for wicker bags because I feel like wicker is great for summertime. Also, any like nude type of bag is really great. And also smaller like mini bags, I feel like those really make an outfit look really nice. So I'm just gonna go and see what I can find. Okay, so I saw this really pretty wicker bag, and what makes it different is this floral detail, and I feel like it just screams spring and summertime. It's really unique. It's not something I've ever seen before, and I like how it has like a really nice like boxy type of shape, and so there's a lot of room in there to put your things. Alright, this caught my eye because of this beautiful color, and also it is 9 West, and I love 9 West bags. I feel like they are a really great quality. The size is really great as well. I mean, you could fit a whole bunch of stuff in there, so I think it's just a beautiful find. Alright, so now we are done here at the accessories section. The next thing I would love to check out are the dresses to see what I could pair with these accessories that I just got. Alright, so thinking back, my first experience with a thrift store was probably when I was living in a small town called Page, Arizona. There was only one thrift store there, and my friends and I decided to go and find a cute outfit and then take some photos in it. And doing that really piqued my interest in thrifting. And so moving down to the city, there were so many Goodwills here, and I just started to, explore. I think another big influence on me was also watching thrifting YouTubers. Their videos like really inspired me, and all of the great finds that they found. I was like, oh my gosh, I could go to my Goodwill and find some amazing things for a great price. And so I absolutely love thrifting. You can find like so many great things here for a great price. You can try out different styles and new trends, and it's like honestly low risk because you're not really breaking the bank. So this is why I really love going to my local Goodwill. Alright, so this dress caught my eye because of like the ruffly details. And this bottom part has kind of like a ruffle tiered detail as well. It also looks like really comfortable to wear, and again, it's along the same like purple color theme that I have going. So I'm gonna put this in my cart for now. So the meaning behind my name my Instagram name, Nijonoful Me. Basically, it's supposed to mean like I'm beautiful and you're beautiful. Nijone is actually a Navajo word, and that means beautiful. And so I feel like with clothing, what you wear can really kind of impact how you look at yourself. And so if you're wearing something that you love, then you're gonna feel amazing and beautiful. And I kind of just want to share that with everybody through my platform. And with thrifting, it's like accessible to anybody. And I do want to show that like you can find an amazing outfit for a great price, and you can also feel really great wearing it too. All right, so this dress would be a great staple in any closet because it is just a simple white. Anything can go with it, and you can choose to make it like very bright and fun with bright accessories, or keep it neutral. And I also saw it has a tag, and so the price on here says $45, but it was marked down from $130. So this is a great steal. Okay. So here is another very pretty purple dress. I like how it crisscrosses here in the front. I feel like it's a very like flattering silhouette for me personally. And also it has these really cute ruffles at the bottom. All right, so I found all of the dresses that I wanted to, and now let's go head on to the jeans section. Okay, so my favorite thing to shop for at Goodwill are jeans and dresses. With jeans, it's a really good value for what you get because normally if you buy jeans new, they can be $50 and up, but at Goodwill you can get a really good price for them, and also jeans are very durable. So when you find a good pair, most likely it's not going to be like super worn out. And with dresses, a dress is like a complete outfit, and so just one piece as a complete outfit, it's a really good value for what you can get. Okay. These jeans look nice. I love the distressed details that it has, and it is like a lighter wash compared to the other jeans that I found. And yeah, I just really think this will fit me nicely. So this is a really nice color for jeans, perfect for the springtime. And one tip I did have, because dressing rooms are currently closed, I like to take the jeans off the hanger like this, and then kind of just hold it up to your waist and make sure it's kind of like in the middle to this side, going over here, and you can kind of gauge if they will fit you or not. All right, so we finished up over at the jeans, and now we are here at this skirt section. In this section, I am looking for some maybe like floral skirts, some pretty colored pastel skirts, and also going back to what my style is for dresses, I do like the tiered like type of skirt, and I am okay with anything like maybe knee length to the ground. I feel like would be perfect for summer. Okay, so like I said, how I love the tiered look. There is like a small tier down here, and it does look like a high-low skirt. It has like a stretchy waist, so that would be so comfortable to wear. So yeah, and I really love like the bright yellow color of this. All right, so these are kind of the similar style as the shorts I found before because it has like this tie here to cinch in the waist. The fabric feels really nice, and I really love like this crisscross pattern. I feel like you could pair this with so many different things. Okay, so now that we are done with the bottoms, we're going to move over to find matching tops. I'm going to start with the tank tops and moving on over to the sleeves. All right, so I found this tank top, and I thought it would pair perfectly with these shorts that I found earlier. And I noticed the brand is A New Day, and that is actually a Target brand, and I absolutely love shopping at Target, so it's really nice to find some of their things here. All right, so this top is so cute. It has like a watercolor type design on it. I love how the sleeves have this cute little ruffle right here, and the fabric feels like really light, and so this would be perfect for like the hot days. You wouldn't feel too stuffy in this. All right, so I would describe my style as girly. I love floral prints and light colors. I would also say I am drawn to more vintage items. Where I live, the thrift stores, they carry a lot of like vintage items. I just find them so interesting because it's almost like a piece of history right there, and you are also able to wear it. And my style is also influenced by my culture and my traditional Navajo wear. So I found this pretty tank top, and it's a really nice material. It's also Anne Klein. I love Anne Klein clothing, and I feel like this would really go with this skirt I found. You can kind of see the flowers have the same color in them. So yeah, this would make a really cute outfit together. All right, I found this top, and it's actually from Topshop, which is a really great brand. And what drew me to it was the fabric. It is this nice nude color, and it has like a really nice sheen to it. Also, I really love how the buttons match with it as well. All right, so I am done shopping, and now I have everything lined up right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start narrowing things down. All right guys, so I narrowed down my looks. To see the final outfits, make sure to follow me at Nijono for me, and also Goodwill at Goodwill AZ. Until next time.